Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. It is the Paparazzi video. It's Happy Holidays from Paparazzi. So let's dig on in. I just letting everyone know I sell paparazzi. I'm a paparazzi consultant. If you love the holidays and you don't know what to get your friend, your neighbor, your cousin, your aunt, you know, come see me. I can hook you up with all the stuffs. This is called All the Trimmings Brown Necklace. It is silver and brown. It's got the ribbon where you tie it instead of the silver necklace part, so it's fancier. Okay, and it also has the matching earrings at the top. Okay, this is incredibly celebrity blue earrings. So this is all the bling, and anything that I sell from Paparazzi in this box is $5. We do have a Z collection, and it's $25, but it's super duper nice and glamorous. Designated White Diva white necklace. This is really cute, white and silver. It's got the pearl looking beads and the silver beads and the matching earrings at the top. Cute. This is Royal Ruster Red necklace. So it's got the marble looking red right here. And, you know, it's got the matching earrings. It's silver and red just in time for the holidays. This is Downtown Debut white bracelet. So it's pearl and white. And let me tell you, girls, pearl is going to be your friend for fall and winter. All your friends are going to be wearing pearls. You don't want to be left out. So I can hook you up. Okay. This is called a Warm Welcome Copper Necklace. So it's got the bling at the bottom, different shades of brown, a little bit of silver, and the matching earrings at the top. This is Nice Girls Finish Last bracelet in brass. You got your bling, and it's woven in the middle, and then you've got your small or to large sizes on the bracelet. And it's really cute and blingy and pretty. Just in time for the holidays. This is called Red Post Earring. It's red. It's red. Because guess what? It's Christmas time, y'all. So $5 for this post earring. And silver and red. Okay, I do have clip-ons for people who like clip-on earrings and don't have their ears done. It's cool. So this one's called Blingtastic Black Clip-On. So it's got the black onyx looking stone in the center. And then it's got the clear blingy stones around it. Really cute. I've got this one. It's called Just in Timeless Gold Post Earring. So this is gold, and it's really cute. And the stone in the middle almost looks lavender. I mean, it might not be, but it looks lavender to me. But it's really cute. Love it. This is called Raindrop Radiant Silver Earrings. So this is just a little silver. It looks like little raindrops. That's why they probably got the name. And it's got the little blingy stuff in the ends of it. Really cute. Fishhook earring style. Okay. This is called I Better Get Glowing Silver Earring. So it's a dangle earring. And it's got the silver stone right there with a lot of antique looking stuff around it. It's really cute. Everything for Paparazzi is $5 in this box. Okay, this is Springtime Desserts Copper Post Earring. So this is really cute. It looks like it's got probably some turquoise in with it, but it's really cute. And it's copper. Okay, this is just in time for Christmas. Holly High Class Clip-On Earring in green. So it's silver and green, and it's got the green emerald looking stone with the pearl looking stone and with the clear stones. And it's clip-on for people who don't have their ears done yet. Okay, so this is also a clip-on. It's hold cord white clip-on. So it's got the clear stone in the center and a lot of little mini clear stones all the way around. A lot of detail to this one. And it's clip-on, so, you know, it won't hurt your ears. Okay, this is called Headliner Over Heels Earring in Silver. So this is a fishhook style earring, and it's got the silver stone in the middle of each earring. Really cute. And this is my favorite piece of the night. This is called Captivating Multi-Blockbuster Necklace. If y'all are old enough to be to have witnessed the 90s, this is what was worn. I mean, all these colors were worn. It is so pretty, just like a throwback. It's cute. It's trendy. I really, really love this. And I've got a ring here. It's stretchy, so it'll fit anybody's ring hand size. And it's you know, it's silver and it's got the clear stones. Really, really cute. Really blingy in time for Christmas and holidays. Okay, so that's going to wrap up my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you love paparazzi as much as I do, give me a shout out and I'll hook you up. I'll put my information in this video, so if you found something that you liked, you don't want to shop through me, you can shop through my website. So everybody have a very safe and blessed day. Love you guys.